Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could solve a typical probability question on the ACT math test quickly. Here's an example. A box contains 20 colored marbles, 8 red, 6 blue, and 6 green. If one marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability of drawing a red or green marble? So we solve it like this. We've got 20 colored marbles, 8 red, 6 blue, and 6 green. So we have 20 possibilities and we are interested in either red or green. So 8 plus 6 gives us 14 to 20. We could reduce that to 7 to 10. It gives us 0.7 and the answer is D. Great. Quickly. With practice, you will be able to solve similar problems easily on the tests. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to solve other problems from the ACT math test. If you subscribe, you will get notified as soon as new videos are posted. See you in the next video.